ladies. So we are going to apply the Eco Gel, and by the way, I already have conditioner in my hair. Yeah, and then we're gonna detangle in section and threes. And when detangling, you want to comb from the ends first, because it's just less painful, because I'm tender-headed, so that's why I do that. Alright, what we're going to do is we are going to twist our hair down. Now we're going to repeat the same steps. When you're done twisting, wrap it up. Girl, your makeup is on fleek. But now we are going to unravel our hair. And here's the final product. Hope you like it. This is the final look. I hope you guys like my hair. It's super curly. Yeah, so here's the look. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, see ya.